In this video, we are going to start exercise 1.5 question number 3. Question number 1 and 2 of this exercise 1.5 of differentiation we did in previous video. So जिसका link आपको description box में दिया है. So you see that. Now let us start with question number 3 of exercise 1.5 sub question 1. What is this sub question 1? See here x is equal to 80 square. See these are sums on higher order derivative, that is second order derivative from this question. If x is equal to 80 square and y is equal to 280, then we show that x into y d square y by dx square plus a is equal to 0. So parametric functions are these x and y. x और y क्या है पैरामीट्रिक फंक्शंस एंड यू नो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ पैरामीट्रिक फंक्शन हाउ वी फाइंड dy by dx we find first, so that is dy by dt upon dx by dt. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. What is our dy by dt? See y is equal to 280, so dy by dt derivative of 280 with respect to t, that is 2a, and dx by dt derivative of x is equal to 80 square with respect to t, it is 2at. Now this 2a is getting cancelled. What is left in the right hand side? Right hand side में क्या बचता है 1 upon t. So dy by dx is equal to 1 upon t. That means our dy by dx is function of t. अभी आपको सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव लेनी है. डी स्क्वायर वाई बाई डी एक्स स्क्वायर मतलब दिस वी डिफरेंशिएट अगेन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स. सो डिफरेंशिएट इट अगेन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स, that is d square y by dx square, which is d dx of dy by dx, which is but dy by dx is function of t. तो यहाँ पे हम चेन रूल ऑफ डेरिवेटिव यूज करेंगे, that is d square y by dx square will be d dt of dy by dx. What is our dy by dx? 1 upon t. dy by dx is 1 upon t into dt by dx, that is nothing but d dx of dy by dx. Now d dt of 1 upon t, it is equal to minus 1 upon t square, and dt by dx will write 1 upon dx by dt, so that this is equal to d square y by dx square is equal to minus 1 upon t square. dt by dx will write 1 upon dx by dt, 1 upon dx by dt, and we know 1 upon dx by dt. dx by dt is what? 280. So it is minus 1 upon t square into 280. This 280 is what? dx by dt here. So d square y upon dx square is equal to minus 1 upon 280, and this is what? t square. But as we have given x is equal to 80 square and y is equal to what? 280. So we are having 280. अभी हमको क्या चाहिए? 80 square. तो a multiply numerator and denominator, so that we multiply by a to numerator and denominator. This will give 80 square and 280. इसको हम ऐसे ग्रुप कर सकते हैं, so that this 80 square is what? x, and 280 is equal to what? y. और left hand side is d square y by dx square, so that d square y by dx square, it is equal to minus a upon this 80 square is what? X, and 280 is what? Y. So write it x and y. It is x into y. Now simply you take cross multiplication as we required, x into y into d square y by dx square. So we take cross multiplication, x into y d square y by dx square. This will be equal to minus a, and it will take in left hand side plus a, it is equal to 0. This is required to show xy d square y by dx square plus a is equal to 0. We want to show here. Now second sub question क्या है, y is equal to e raised to power m tan inverse of x, and show that 1 plus x square d square y by dx square plus 2x minus m dy by dx is equal to 0. So first we differentiate y with respect to x. Y is e raised to power fx. E raised to power fx का डेरिवेटिव क्या है, e raised to power fx into f dash of x. So let us start second sub question. Second sub question is differentiate it. dy by dx is equal to e raised to power fx derivative, that is e raised to power fx into f dash of x, that means d dx of m tan inverse of x. M is constant, derivative of tan inverse x, which is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So this will be e raised to power m tan inverse of x into m into derivative of tan inverse of x, which is 1 upon 1 plus x square. But what is this e raised to power m tan inverse of x? It is y. So in place of this we will write y, so that dy by dx is equal to e raised to power m is there, this m, e raised to power m tan inverse of x is there, and denominator is 1 plus x square. This we write y, so that dy by dx is equal to m into y upon 1 plus x square. So we are getting this relation. Then take cross multiplication, 1 plus x square into dy by dx is equal to my. Now we differentiate it again with respect to x. So differentiating with respect to x both sides. अभी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड जो है प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू फंक्शंस, तो इसका u इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ v एंड v इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ u, सो दैट 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ dy by dx, which is d square y by dx square, plus dy by dx as it is, and derivative of 1 plus x square. Derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of x square is 2x, which is 2x. This will be the derivative. Right hand side derivative will be is equal to, right hand side will be m into derivative of y, which is dy by dx. Now you simply take this m into dy by dx in the left hand side, so that we'll get 1 plus x square d square y by dx square plus 2x dy by dx minus m dy by dx is equal to 0. Then simply you will take dy by dx common from these two terms, and we'll be getting 1 plus x square d square y by dx square plus 2x minus m into dy by dx is equal to 0. This is required to show 1 plus x square d square y by dx square 2x minus m into dy by dx is equal to 0. Sub question 3, x is equal to cos t, y is equal to e raised to power mt. We show 1 minus x square d square y by dx square minus x dy by dx minus m square y is equal to 0. So start with x is equal to cos t. Third sub question, x is equal to cos t. That means t must be equal to cos inverse of x. So t is equal to cos inverse of x. What is y? Y is equal to e raised to power m into t, and we substitute t is equal to cos inverse x over here. So that means our y will be e raised to power m cos inverse of x. That is y is equal to e raised to power m cos inverse x. Now differentiate it with respect to x. We differentiate with respect to x. Here derivative of e raised to power fx. E raised to power fx का derivative e raised to power fx into f dash of x. So differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to e raised to power m cos inverse x into derivative of that d dx of m cos inverse of x. Then this e raised to power m cos inverse x, that is nothing but y. E raised to power m cos inverse x is y. So in place of this we'll write y, m derivative of cos inverse x. M constant है, खाली derivative of cos inverse x we will take. So dy by dx is equal to e raised to power m cos inverse x. M cos inverse x. M is constant. Derivative of cos inverse x minus 1 upon root of 1 minus x square minus 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. So substitute e raised to power m cos inverse x as y. So therefore it is dy by dx is equal to y. This is m. This is minus 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. Taking this cross multiplication, it gives us 1 minus root of 1 minus x square into dy by dx is equal to minus of my. Now if we square both sides, so this square root will be removed. So squaring both sides, 1 minus x square dy by dx whole square is equal to m square. Square root will be removed. This minus sign will be removed. M square y square. Now differentiate it. Before differentiating it, remember derivative of dy by dx whole square is what? Derivative of dy by dx whole square. It is 2 dy by dx and into d square y by dx square. This you keep in mind. Derivative of dy by dx whole square, that is equal to 2 times of dy by dx and into again derivative of dy by dx, that is d square y by dx square. So this relation 1 minus x square into dy by dx whole square is equal to m square y square. We are differentiating it again with respect to x. तो इसमें product है u into v. So u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. तो u derivative of v लेंगे तो हमें use करना होगा 2 dy by dx d square y by dx square. So we'll do that differentiating with respect to x. We differentiate it with respect to x. So it is u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u, 1 minus x square into derivative of this, which is, as earlier we said, 2 dy by dx into d square y by dx square. This is u derivative of v plus v derivative of u plus v derivative of u means dy by dx whole square into derivative of this 0 and minus 2x is equal to right hand side m square derivative of y square, it is 2y into dy by dx. Now listen here, 2 dy by dx, 1 dy by dx and 2 dy by dx, that we can cancel. So 2 dy by dx, 2 and dy by dx, 2 and dy by dx cancel. Then whatever left we write 1 minus x square d square y by dx square, then minus x into dy by dx, minus x into dy by dx, and is equal to what? M square y is equal to m square y. This m square y we take in left hand side, we will get the result. अभी ये m square y लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लेना होगा आपको, 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर डी स्क्वायर वाई बाई डी एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स डी वाई बाई डी एक्स माइनस एम स्क्वायर वाई इज इक्वल टू 0. ये हमको रिजल्ट चाहिए. सो दैट वी आर गेटिंग 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर डी स्क्वायर वाई बाई डी एक्स माइनस एक्स डी वाई बाई डी एक्स एम स्क्वायर वाई इज इक्वल टू 0. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज फोर्थ sub question 4, y is equal to x plus tan of x. We want to show this cos square d square y by dx square minus 2y plus 2x is equal to 0. So we start differentiating this. Y is equal to x plus tan of x. We differentiate it 2 times as d square y by dx square is there. So dy by dx first derivative, that is derivative of x is 1 and derivative of tan is sec square x. Then again we differentiate it again with respect to x. So again we differentiate it with respect to x. This is differentiating with respect to x. So derivative of this d square y by dx square, this is second order derivative. Derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of sec square x, it is 2 sec x into derivative of sec x into derivative of sec x. So that is equal to derivative of sec x is what? Sec x tan x. So we'll write that sec x tan x d square y by dx square 2 sec x and derivative of sec x is sec x tan x, sec x tan x. This will be derivative of sec x. This sec x and sec x, it will give us sec square x 2 times of sec square x into tan x. Now this sec square x will write 1 upon cos square x. So d square y by dx square is equal to 2 upon cos square x into tan x. If we take cross multiplication, cos square x d square y by dx square is equal to 2 into tan of x. What is tan x? From this relation we can get tan x. What is given? Here given y is equal to x tan x, x plus tan x. Therefore tan x is equal to y minus x. So this we substitute over here and we'll be getting x cos square x d square y by dx square is equal to 2 times tan x. So tan x is y minus x, which is 2y minus 2x cos square x d square y by dx square. Take all the terms in left hand side, we'll get this result. So taking these terms in the left hand side, cos square x d square y by dx square minus 2y, and this minus will become plus 2x is equal to 0. This is required to show. Start with fifth question. Y is equals to e raised to power ax into sin bx. Product है. So we find what y1. y1 means what? Derivative of y with respect to x. First order derivative. y2 is what? Second order derivative. So first we find y1, that is first order derivative. So y1 is equal to derivative of this u derivative of v, that is e raised to power ax. Sin derivative is cos of bx into derivative of bx is b plus sin of bx into derivative of e raised to power ax into a. What is derivative of e raised to power x? E raised to power x into a, that is y1 is equal to b e raised to power ax into cos of bx plus a e raised to power ax sin of bx. This is what? y1. वापस इसका डेरिवेटिव लेंगे हम, that will give us y2. So y2 is derivative of this again, y2, here b is constant, derivative of these two terms u into v, b as it is e raised to power ax, derivative of this minus sin bx into b, derivative of cos bx minus sin bx into derivative of bx, b, plus cos bx as it is, cos एक फर्स्ट टर्म और ये सेकेंड टर्म, तो हम फर्स्ट टर्म का ही डेरिवेटिव इतना ले रहे हैं. तो cos bx as it is derivative of e raised to power ax, which is e raised to power ax into a, ये हो गया फर्स्ट टर्म का डेरिवेटिव. सेकेंड टर्म का डेरिवेटिव फाइंड करना है, a into डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस e raised to power ax sin bx derivative is cos bx into b plus sin bx derivative of e raised to power ax into a. This is second term का derivative. So rearrange the terms. y2 is equal to, here our y2 is equal to b, and this b will be b square minus of e raised to power ax, minus sign is there, and b square sin bx this b is multiplied here, ab plus ab e raised to power ax into cos bx, then here you multiply a into b, so a into b e raised to power ax cos bx. So this and this we are getting same, so you can write here 2 times of that, it is 2 times of that, and a into a square plus a square, a into a square e raised to power ax raised to power ax sin bx, sin bx. So let us write it in proper way. y2 is equal to minus b square plus a square, you can write here, a square and minus b square you can write, e raised to power ax, e raised to power ax sin bx. These two we will write together, a square e raised to power ax sin bx and minus b square e raised to power ax sin bx. Write it together taking this e raised to power ax sin bx common, तो ये a square minus b square होगा. So instead of writing like this, we'll write it a square minus b square, a square minus b square, or plus 2 times of ab e raised to power ax into cos bx. See, this is our y2. Then see, according to this, minus 2a y1, or y1 is this, this is our y1, this is multiplied by 2a and subtract. So let's denote this by 1, and this y1 we multiply by 2a, so 2a y1 will be, if we multiply it by 2a, then it is 2ab e raised to power ax, 2ab e raised to power ax. This is multiplied by 2a, so 2ab e raised to power ax cos bx, 2a square e raised to power ax sin bx. This is what second equation, and we subtract this first equation minus second equation, so that y2 minus 2a y1. So our left hand side will become y2 minus 2a y1 is equal to, clearly this 2ab e raised to power ax cos bx, and this will get cancelled if we subtract. So 2ab e raised to power x cos bx and 2ab e raised to power x cos bx, this is getting cancelled. So we will not write this, only this and this we write, that is a square minus b square e raised to power ax sin bx and minus 2a square e raised to power ax sin bx, sin bx. From a square e raised to power x sin bx minus 2a square e raised to power ax sin bx, ये और ये कैंसिल कर सकते हैं हम, a square into this and minus 2a square into this. So this will be minus a square minus b square into e raised to power ax sin bx. और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज y2 minus 2a y1. अब ये टर्म हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में लेंगे, सो दैट वी विल गेट, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में we'll take that term and we'll be getting this required expression. If we take minus sign common from here, so it will be y2 minus 2a y1 is equal to, minus sign common from these two terms, a square plus b square e raised to power ax, okay, e raised to power ax sin bx, and we will take this to the left hand side, so that y2 minus 2a y1 plus a square plus b square, minus sign will become plus sign, e raised to power ax sin bx is equal to 0. This is required to show. But e raised to power ax sin bx is what? That is y. E raised to power ax sin bx is what? Y. तो इसके बदले हम क्या लिखते हैं? Y. So that our expression will be y2 minus 2a y1 plus a square plus b square into, in place of this we'll write y, and the right hand side is equal to 0. So this is the required expression, y2 minus 2a y1 plus a square plus b square into y is equal to 0.